Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We are not the weekend, we are in the middle of the week, we are all home, it's a new day, and everybody is sick. Yeah, we didn't vlog for the last days. A lot of things happen. I mean, as you know, Tyler was sick, Tyler vomited, Tyler went to school, they called back to get him, and since that time he was home. They take care of him, so babe got sick. Sarah is so, and me, I'm okay, I'm catching it, I soon get it, yes. No. So I soon get it. But yeah, Tyler still didn't go to school. It's almost a week now that he's home, and babe is getting worse. So yeah, the last days we went to the doctor. Everybody went to the doctor. Tyler went to his doctor, Sarah to the same one, and then we went to bring babe to her doctor. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm here today, because I have to take care of the family. Everybody have a bunch of medicine to take. Sarah is feeling okay. Sarah is full of energy, and Tyler is. So yeah, babe, she have no voice. Talk to you. Talk to me.
I can't talk to you.
Huh? She said she can't talk to me.
You guys have no voice. Can't talk in your talk.
No voice. She have no.
It's a good chance to do the whisper challenge.
Oh, to the
Whisper challenge.
okay, we can do a.
Whisper challenge.
She don't even have to try. Alright guys, so yeah, we home. The family is here. Size having some little medicine, but she's okay. Look at her. She's the princess. So I can cuddle to her. No risk to give her anything. But nobody cuddle to Tyler. Tyler is in the corner. He can't move. We put some things around him, and we say to him, if you move, that's gonna be bad for you. So yes, he's actually in the corner. Tyler is in the corner? Live? No, so Tyler is here, but nobody cuddle him. He's doing a lot of activities. He's doing, I'm gonna say, like school at home. So yeah, he's here trying to get himself busy. And I gotta say that at least I take this day to spend time with him, and he made a lot of progress now when he coloring. That's how I say coloring. He coloring very nice. He can write, and yes, he's writing better and better. At least he's not stuck on TV as he calls sick. So yeah, we are actually having lunch. Well, soon gonna have lunch, cooking lunch. At least you didn't lose your cooking hand. So yeah, yesterday we went to the doctor, as we say. I just went online and find a doctor randomly that was in the area and that was available the next day. I took appointment the day before for the next day, and we find a nice doctor. And a English speaking doctor coming from South Africa. That's what I said. So yes, living between South Africa and London, and now living here. So we find a good doctor randomly. So yeah, if one day you come in the area and you have to see a doctor, we have a good recommendation, and it looks nice. So yeah, everything's doing okay. We soon gonna eat. Have a lot to do. At least we're gonna use this day to take care of the kids and do a lot of things. After I run so many clothes, I'm gonna take care of the outside if it's okay. Yesterday was so nice. I saw people in shirt. So people in shirt, short sleeve, everything like this. So yeah. See what you're cooking today? I can't come closer. So what you are cooking pasta? We got this pasta, color pasta. Oh, that's gonna be for dinner. That's the one we got in Italy. Okay, we got some color pasta, choose by color. That's gonna be for dinner, for lunch. That's gonna be this. How you call minced beef, and avocado and tortilla. So we're gonna what you gonna put? Only meat in it and the seasoning, and avocado and lettuce for her, not for me, because I don't want to make it taste bad. That's a lot of seasoning that you put. You know, like at the, we were saying the last time at the Chinese, when we're going to the Chinese takeout, or when we're going to the Chinese takeout, it doesn't matter which country you are, every time you go and they're just like packing in a box, so it's the weight or it's just the space. You have half seasoning. You want shrimp something, you have more seasoning and 3 or 4 little shrimp fighting together. That's what they call seasoning. But I guess they do the same here at home. No, I don't know if you all have the same experience that we have. It's like when you go into the Chinese and you just have to choose, okay, you're gonna take the beef or the shrimp or the chicken, anything. So you just say this one, and so they pack it for you, but it's only seasoning. No? It's only seasoning. So I don't know if it's French or if it's everywhere, but we went in Jamaica and it was the same, and yeah, well. At least the Chinese food is good and is made in France. It's not made in China, import from China. So yeah, we are safe for now. I think she do again. Ooh, Shikaka for the 10 times up there. Yeah, there was people doing that. Papa was doing something.
Surprise.
Hey guys, I just come back to you. I forgot to tell you exactly what the family have. What Babe have. Babe have a how you say, a respiratory, or when you breathe, respiratory tract infection. I guess it's here, it's hurting here, and makes you breathe. You struggle to breathe, struggling to breathe, and talking, hurting when you talk. So I guess all of this part is hurting. Also, one thing that we learned yesterday, when it's hurting here, we used to drink a lot of hot chocolate to make you feel comfortable, and the doctor says the worst things to do. He say you. Yeah, it's the worst thing to do when you're not feeling good, when you have this, to drink hot chocolate. He say that you should just get cold drink, to make it like cooling anesthesia. That's how you say, anesthesia, to make it freeze and feels better. It makes sense. It's like when you
bacteria love hot, developing hot.
Okay, because bacteria love hot, so it's help when you hot, you helps developing bacteria. Than the cold, it kill bacteria. So yeah, it's like if you have to drink in the middle of winter juice with ice in it and all of this thing, and put it here, and that's help you feel better. So that's one thing that we learn. She need to rest, not talking too much, so Tyler know that he has to be nice, cause mama and papa are here, but ice cream. Alright, it's time to eat. It feels very pretty, and when food is pretty, food is good. You already eat before you're about to. Alright, do you have anything? She's going to eat. Hello, Tyler. How are you doing? Look at me. Look how fast you are. You're feeling sick, or are you okay? You look okay today. Most of the time you're not good when it's about to sleep, but you're okay for now. You're hungry?
No.
You ate much? You didn't eat much today. What are you doing now?
I'm doing activity book.
You doing an activity book? Show me. Oh, you're coloring. That's your coloring on the left, and that's the right one on the right. Wow, you're good.
And That is the one that I'm going to do after, and then
Going
that
to do
one,
that
and
after?
then after that one. I'm going
Okay,
to
let
do
me
that
show.
one.
You did
After
you draw a
that
cat
one,
on top?
After that
Ah.
one, after that
Show me the
one,
cat that you did on
after
top.
that one.
That's a cat.
Yes.
That look like a snake with a cat face.
The
But you,
shoes with the cat.
okay, but you coloring very well. You improve a lot.
Thank you, Papa.
Alright.
You're tired.
Hey guys, it's the evening now. As you know, well, except me, but the family is not feeling well, so we're sorry not to give you so much to watch. But the good thing is Tyler's getting better. Babe voice, I can feel that. She's resting and she feeling a little bit better. The medicine works, so yeah. Hopefully we soon gonna be able to give you some good vlogs to watch, and I hope you enjoy today. My brother sent me a video games that is like a workout video games, and we tried it earlier. Well, should I say I tried. Babe was laughing at me, and then she joined me, but she couldn't do anything. She was dying too. So yeah, hopefully next time we be able to show you some of these game, and so you can share the love that we all have together. So yeah, I hope you all have a good day. We soon come back and resume with some French and Jamaican expression. We have a lot to give you. Battery just died on me. As you can see, this is my walk for tonight. That's how I'm gonna end the day. So yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Catch up and keep up, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, a like, well, same thing. Leave a comment, and we'll catch you guys soon. Have a blessed day.